y'all, welcome to Texas 2K. It's currently 3 o'clock in the morning, and there's, I don't know, probably 200 cars out on the freeway right now. Yeah.
And it's a Thursday night.
Oh yeah, and it's Thursday. Sick. What's going on, guys? Riley here. Today is Friday night of Texas 2K week here in Houston, Texas. So we're about to head to Royal Purple Raceway and check out a whole bunch of racing. However, before we head down to the track, we're at Mob Auto Boutique right now with a few other pretty cool cars. We have Kyle's GT500, my slow Hellcat, this really fast Hellcat, this Destroyer Gray Hellcat, HTX Scat's broken suspension Hellcat, or Scat Pack, and this Mustang. So yeah, pretty solid lineup to begin the video. Should be a really fun day. Texas 2K is always a great time here in Houston, so this should be a pretty entertaining video. So let's get started. All right, so we're at gas station stop number 1 for the night. I'm sure there's gonna be probably 2 or 3 more of these. But we got the whole gang, just a little bit of everybody. It's gonna be a wild Texas 2K night. Why you got to do that? Because everywhere I go now. Okay. Gorilla. So for Texas 2K every year, we always go undercover. So we're in Faison's Audi Q5, right? And then Zach and all of them are in a GMC Sierra truck. Man, they are getting it over there. Gapped. Winning lights. All right, you guys, we are at Royal Purple Raceway in Baytown, Texas at Texas 2K 2018. It's gonna be lit. Yeah. We also all just paid $30 a piece to get VIP access, which is this little blue wristband. So we can get some great footage for you guys. There's already, I don't know how many cars here with parachutes on them. So, oh yeah, it's gonna be fun. There. On the left side, on that. There we go. There's a little smoke.
We need to do a Fortnite rap. Make sure it's viral.
What the heck? 7.1, what the? 211 miles per hour. God damn. Woo! What? Wow! 197. Sale! miles an hour. Box that comes out of the bottle extremely cool.
Oh my gosh!
Hey,
Oh my God!
X my bone.
Talking about that one with the LS in it? Yeah.
This is stop.
Wide body race power one? The wide body one? Damn! Goodbye.
Let's see. So 9.7 and 11.5 in the stock GTR.
That was the rear tire spin.
Wow.
Not that impressive.
Is this the one we saw that we were standing by last night, Fagon?
Yeah.
11.5.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hell yeah, he caught him.
11.3. 10.2. Oh wow. That's got to be a 9. Yep, 9.9. All right, you guys, we have left Royal Purple Raceway and drove about 10 minutes to the nearest Buc-ee's gas station, and there is hundreds of people here. Wow, this is, yeah, kind of overwhelming. But we're gonna go inside and actually get some dinner. It's 11:38 at night, and it's time to eat some food. I follow this guy on Instagram. Sick. So for those of you who have never visited a Buc-ee's, this is what it looks like on the inside. Got all kinds of stuff you can go shopping for through here. It's just like I don't even know, like a Walmart in here. And it's a bunch of country stuff because we live in Texas. And then check this out. It's like a full just restaurant. You can get all kinds of crazy foods and stuff. And then they have foods out here you can go pick. Like, you want a sandwich? Great, there's a sandwich. Salad? Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, you want to order your food? Fantastic. They make this screen where you can order anything you want. I love Buc-ee's. I love Buc-ee's.
I love me some Buc-ee's, man.
What'd you get, bro?
I got me some chicken fajitas, man.
Chicken fajitas?
Chicken fajita tacos.
I got me some chicken tenders with extra tender and extra toast, and I only spent $8. Woo! Man, I'll tell you guys what. It's pretty great when you're eating some chicken tenders in a Buc-ee's parking lot with like 200 race cars. Not bad. Hey Jordan, where we going?
We're gonna go down to Best Buy up to Bunker Hill exit and see what's popping down there. Last year there was like a million bajillion cars and people shooting planes. It's crazy.
We're just gonna
check
go.
it out.
We're gonna go buy some TVs, some lenses, and some cameras.
Hell yes.
All right, well that is where we were supposed to go. However, just got busted by cops, and you can't see it right now, but there's a Camaro cop up here somewhere that just turned its lights on. He's going after someone. Oh yeah, there he is. So that, my friends, looks like a fit-gen Camaro. However, that is a cop. And to the right, we have more cops.
Ricer.
What the hell is that? All right, well, we reached spot number 2, and there seems to be a lot of people here. However, that right there is a cop. So let's see what happens. I'm going. He said something. Let's go.
Road's closed, pizza boy. Find another way home.
Well, here is a Hennessy Dodge Demon without a license plate.
Flop.
That's interesting. All right, 3 gas stations later, it looks like we found the one.
Boys like Mexico.
It's currently 3:53. There's still a lot of people here. Dane?
I'm asleep.
Okay, you guys, back at Mob Auto Boutique after a very long day. It is currently 5:06 in the morning. We are all extremely tired. Yes?
I'm ready for bed, dude.
Yeah, it's time to go sleep. However, before we go sleep, let's get a cold start with the Hellcat, just cause.